Are you dreaming of transforming your home with stunning, high-quality hardwood floors? Imagine the warmth, elegance, and durability that only hardwood can bring. At VP Wood & Stone, we specialize in bringing that dream to life with professional hardwood flooring services designed to fit your style and your budget. Whether you're renovating your entire home or just updating a single room, hardwood flooring is an investment that adds long-term value. It's not just about looks. Hardwood floors are built to last. They can withstand the test of time, while their timeless beauty never goes out of style. But why choose VP Wood & Stone? It's simple. We don't just lay floors, we craft spaces where memories are made. Our team of skilled experts takes pride in every detail, ensuring precision and quality in every installation. From helping you select the perfect wood grain, finish, and color, to delivering a flawless, lasting result, we're with you every step of the way. What sets us apart is our commitment to you. We understand that every home is unique, and so are your needs. That's why we offer free personalized estimates, tailored specifically to your project. Whether you're looking for classic oak, sleek maple, or rich walnut, we'll guide you to the best choice for your space. Our process is quick, efficient, and stress-free. We take care of everything, from prepping your floors to the final polish. With VP Wood & Stone, you can rest easy knowing that your home is in the hands of professionals who care about delivering perfection. Still on the fence? Consider this. Investing in hardwood floors not only enhances the beauty of your home, but also boosts its resale value. And with the right care, your floors will look just as stunning decades from now as they do the day they're installed. Now's the perfect time to take action. Call us today at 720-985-4338 for a free estimate and let us help you create the home of your dreams with flooring that speaks to your style and lasts a lifetime. Your home deserves the best, and at VP Wood & Stone, that's exactly what we deliver, every time. Don't wait any longer to start your flooring transformation. Contact us now at 720-985-4338 and take the first step toward a beautiful new space. We're excited to work with you and can't wait to bring your vision to life.